Hello, wonderful creative soulmate. Welcome to another video tutorial. In today's video, I will be taking you through on how to make this lovely, simple, and gorgeous head bonnet. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. And also tap on the notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share to your friends, your family, and to your fellow creative soulmates. Also, don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles. So tap on the notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into our work table. These are the materials we'll be working with. We have our Ankara fabric, we have our satin, and we have our scuba material. We'll be using this one for our band, and this is what we'll be using for the bonnet. So guys, fold it into two first, then fold it into another two, that's four. Then what you do, take your tape and mark 11 inches from here. Measure 11 inches from here. Measure 11 inches from here. You see this 11 inches. Then from this edge you connect the circle. Then after that you cut it out. Let's cut it out. So this is what we have. Can you see? Our circle is very large. So dear creative soulmates, I had to change my satin to lining because satin is not enough to cut my circle. I actually did not check it, so sorry about that. So I'm going to place my fabric we cut out earlier. I'll place it on the lining, then I'll cut it round. I'll cut out the same shape. So dear creative soulmates, I'm done cutting out the circle. Can you see? So we have a second circle. So I'll place it like this. Place it like this. Then pin it round. I'm going to pin it round. So I've pinned it round. So I'm going to take it to my machine now and run a loose stitch, a gathered stitch. Then I will come back and show you what we have. So dear creative soulmates, I've run a loose stitch. Can you see it? Can you see? I've run a loose stitch. I used quarter inch to run a loose stitch. Then you're going to pick one of the thread and so you drag it till you get to the end of your stitch. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'll drag and show ladies, guys, everybody. I finished gathering my fabric. I finished gathering my fabric, and this is what I have. Can you see? This is what I have. Then you loosen it up a bit. So measure your head circumference. This is how you are going to measure your head circumference. I'm going to use this as an example. So you take your head circumference like this. You can see. This is how you take your head circumference. Can you see it? This is how you take your head circumference like this. Take your head circumference like this. Can you see? You won't place it on your ear, no. Place it like this. So you take it round like this. So this is how you get your head circumference. So after taking your head circumference, you divide it into 2. So the head circumference I'm working with is 21. So we divide 21 into 2, so we have 10.5. So minus half inch, you can see it's up to 10.5. So minus half inch from here, so we have 10. So we are going to use this 10 to cut our band. I hope you get. I've cut out my band. This is, so we have our 20 inches, can you see? Our 20 inches by 7, 20 inches by 7. So we are going to fold our fabric into 2 like this. Let's see. I'm going to fold it into 2. Let's see. So before we fold it into 2, we are going to do it like this. We are folding it into 2 still. Then we'll take it to our sewing machine and sew down 1/4 inch. You can sew down 1/4 inch or half inch depending on how stretchy the fabric you are using. So I'm going to take it to my machine and sew down 1/4 inch. Then so can you see I've stitched it with 1/4 inch. Then I'm going to fold it into 2 like this and press it down. Can you see? Can you see? I'll fold it into 2 and press it down. Then I'll come back and show you. Can you see I've pressed it down? Press it down. So I'm going to take my bonnet. Anyway, let's do it like this. Start from where you stitch. Place it like this. Then you pin it down. So pin it round and take it to your sewing machine. Then you sew half inch down. Sew half inch down. I'll do that now, then I'll bring it back to show you. So ladies, as you can see, I finished stitching it round. So I'm going to turn it. So I'm going to stitch from here. I'm going to top stitch round. I'm going to top stitch it round. As I'm top stitching it to be catching this one. So I'll top stitch and show you how it looks like. So dear creative soulmate, I've top stitched it. You can see how it looks like inside. Can you see? So if you turn it inside out, you see what it looks like. Can you see it? Can you see? So our bonnet is ready. Our bonnet is ready. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, please kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Also share to your friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs. Let me know in the comment section if there is any tutorial video you'd like me to drop. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment below in the comment section. Alright, can you see? Very lovely. Our bonnet is ready. Ready. Can you see what we have? Despite the fact that we use lining, can you see it's still okay? So can you see what we have? It's looking nice. Looking nice. Alright, see you in our next video. Bye.